All data in a Goat project is managed by using layers. There are two types of layers. The first one is the feature layer, which can contain geospatial data in the form of points, lines, and polygons, or it can be a table, which contains non-geospatial data. The other type is a raster layer, on which you cannot run an analysis. Layers can be used as input to an analysis or could be produced as the result of an analysis. You can find more information in our Goat documentation. To add a layer for use in an analysis, go to the left side panel at Layers section and click Add Layer on the bottom. There are 4 ways to add a layer. The first is to add a layer from the Catalog Explorer. It's a database with different datasets and maintained by Plan4Better. You can see the most important information about the layers: the type, the data category, the region where the map has data, the language, the distributor's name, and the distribution license. Choose the dataset you'd like to use by clicking on it, then click on Add Layer. It will appear on the left side panel at Layers section. To reduce complexity working with extensive layers, we recommend filtering them to your area of interest. Learn more about it in our filtering video. The second way of adding a layer is by fetching an external dataset. You can see the list of supported services. Add your external link, then click on Next. Choose the datasets you'd like to add, then click on Next. You can place this in a folder, edit its name and description. You'll see an overview of your dataset. Click on Save to add it to your project. The third way of adding a layer is through uploading your own dataset. Goat supports the following geospatial and non-geospatial file types. Click on the empty bar and choose your file from your computer, or drag your file to the space bar, then press Next. At the following step, you can add your file to a selected folder, rename it, and add description, then press Next. You'll see an overview of your dataset, then click on Upload. A smaller sized dataset will only take a couple of seconds to upload. For bigger files, it could take a bit longer. At Layers section, by clicking on the 3 dots, you can choose to zoom to your selected layer. The fourth way of adding a layer is through the Dataset Explorer. Here you can find an overview of all your uploaded datasets and the layers you created in your Goat projects. At the Layers section, clicking on the menu, you can view the Layers attribute table by selecting View Data. You can download the layers created by you by clicking on the Layers menu and selecting Download. Choose the desired file type and the coordinate system in which you'd like to download your dataset, then press Download. You can also access the dataset from the workspace by clicking on Catalog on the left side menu. Here you have the option to search for datasets with the help of filters. If you click on the dataset, you can find more detailed information about it alongside with the attribute table.